O Canada, our home and native land, true patriot love in all our sons command. Quand t'embrasse et porter l'épée, il sait porter la croix. Ton histoire est une épopée des plus brillants exploits. God keep our land glorious and free. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee. O Canada, we stand on guard for thee.
In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit, God of power and might, wisdom and justice, through your authority is rightly administered, laws and enacted, and judgment and decree. Assist with your spirit of counsel and fortitude the Premier and other government leaders of the Assembly. May they always seek the ways of righteousness, justice, and mercy. Grant that they may be enabled by your powerful protection to lead our country and territories with honesty and integrity. We ask this through Christ our Lord. Let's pray together as Jesus told us. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Members,
Zon tune hazon hatron guniekwe. AEC Huta Zon, Commissioner of Northwest Territories, Honorable Margaret Tom, AEC Zon Speaker in Chief Lakonin de, Goyet Laha Hunte, Aid a Speaker si Nitata Hunte, Monhui Gots on Waketetso Don. I move, second by the Honorable Member from
Frederick Blake Jr. We Mackenzie Delta Zone, that's in doing high down the Yannicklands itself.
thank you.
Masi Monhui Gots on Waketetso Don motion na hidaho on. Ayi wahunda it's eke, amik anyone. Amik anyone le. Motion hut adahadewo. Ada ayi motion what see, yik anyone see. Mackenzie Delta goes on duni chisi zon da tinka what dagela. Zo masi na hisi. What a speaker Twitter there. Ida zon tune. What a zon tune has on lechet elani dunzi a ko hani lechet elani de quadza hunte. Ida Canada gajisi dihani dune hat slon lechet e de quadza hunte. Ida zon. Dihanit kwesi hazon tunegi gogo disi nagedi aderne indaninde. Ida zon edit ki yeho. Tladi de speakers in leaning de dune rasit tzedahund ene. Ida zon legislative assembly. Hanit ida kin speaker sit lawake tetso dun. Elint int ene hani code zon dan litles DC yihui tirasi wadakunt dune hasun kade ichisi he laida wada gutson since second town asiun nani ho Ninde, tlad eisi at onla nigits dihat inte. Zon decency zone gunie kwesigi ke hoitsua de ho. Grand Chief George Mackenzie, Charles McNeely, Edward Sangris, Chief Bettina, Mr. Villebran, Honorable Smallwood, General I can't hear it. Masi zonguniakwe. Ada since it la consensus had not click at in want let's does it wick like that the point Ada zon has on hanit kwesi hani here let's that a quaint Ada dinte zanik That's a desit la di hani consensus government ethlic at in want ethlic let's dasi hani go here ko on it a good song doing now work esi let's add that Dihani let's add that Hunte 8 Haniko Asislongo Sadi Adele Rad Watsa Hunte Ada Zone Northwest Territories got Dunaga Huita Hunte Ada Nahira speaker Elit Eit Asi Duna Hazon Zon de Quesi Edagin Wont Asiunani get Denny de you will go get there, see Gihuitia, see Huita Hunte. It Zon Honey, see, let's add the see. Zon speaker Etlini de Clad now walk, I see, let's add that Zon say Queha Hunte. See, as you want, like a good at doing de Huchinesi, like a good at do, I see good at deha Hunte. Ada Zon has on done de Quesi. Nesi de hani edaga go get there get Quehunte. Ada Zon speaker Etlinta. Ada Zon speaker. Ada Zon Tune has on see Rahuitat as you Nahira Laita Huita Hunte. Ada Zon go ye a good song asking Contasi Nakira Egalaita Huita Hunte. Ada Zon has on Tunisi Hani Egalageta Nike Quehunt and 8 Mr. Clerk Zon Commissioner of Northwest Territories Margaret Tom AEC Zon Goga si Gunit like home Quasi it's on the height Hinga Hunte. No, sir. Darkway. Masizon Nate. Masi Ada Zon Tunegua Eye Geha in Lessie Masigi si Ada Zon Lekenat Equanata. Eight Zon Dihani Nit like Honda Quetlan, what's on the height here, see what are Hunte. Eight Zon Elechenat, see Lekia Taha at in Hunte. Eight Zon Gatsi Massi Nahisi Zon Dihani Nahina Danhuita. A good song Massi has Zon Dihani Guniaque. Eight Daquetlon, 19th Legislative Assembly. What I need like what's on the heart Hunte. 8 Daquetlon. Since the Dune has on Girak a tetso Whitney. A good song get Quessy Massi, the won't Tasi what I who get no in le. A good song what the Dune seeds on the Quessy Girak a tetso with Lincoln and 8 Dune seed. Zongira da Pagi Wunty or not eating or Nahirai get a so with Lincoln air. A you good song? A you good song, Zon, dead on Kawu, rock are dead, the Quewa Guni, Negin Desi, Massig, the Hunkunt air. Eight sin the question si nahigun hakoti hunt ene eight a cody had lunsi giak a tetso de quet a gzonguni ge que adza eight the question di han is it a co di hani dunsi get lunlani guni ge que adza hunt eight a good song Massi desia hunt inne dune goa gakwe in lesi goa dinte zaneke ega laginda in lesi in let de di si hotla goa laginda eight si zon de zankawa kon si dunega ega laginda in le hunt wok son e good son de di si de in si he nesin ge kwe agoder ni de masi de kwa hunt e good son hatron goni de kwe si go ageda hunt dan ni si go zon nit la kon what's on the hind hung go ageda si wata si gyoti agint giza gagyan hanisi hasun si nahit adage dit azon ge kwe hunt si git nahit agedit asi dihani agala tat adakwe adeha hunt zon dinte etanek etunega ayit dc since hazon di de dunega si Karen Cochran si premier willint asi masi wet ediha hunt good son Paula China Mrs. Tom R.J. Simpson, Mr. Shane Thompson, Miss Caroline Wasnick, Miss Katrina Nolkobi. Ayigutson, Mr. Frederick Blake Jr., Ededinsi Speaker, Elint as a gawada, Ayisi Masi was Sia Hunt eight Zon Tunisi. Hoti nezi dunega katega sezona kwe hunt ene eight in nezi egalata da kwe awak eson hunt masi e good zon hot awak etetso do ate da kwe atasi asi lonka asi kela daga na hinanta hula de hunt ene in da din ho good zon eight asi si wata hunt Hoti nezi asi hazon daniata hesi dani lak eda kwe hesi egalata si wokhwati ha kunt da nakhi hyoti hesi nakhi lasi golint asi egalata haniko edokhwati hoti da edokhwati egotso Nahidze nahini sita hotiata si edokhwati ha kunt Ayit hazon zontune dekwet akadega dekwazasi hazon nahi kontra dinteza nekera da kwesi ekwisi giga la daga hunt wik eson hunt eta ondasi diha gediha Hoti let's on nesi let's on ella ko good on hits on dunega da kwesi ga ko good on dune he gwato it la kunin de na wonesi atsiha Mr. Speaker dihani nitla kon what's on the height kon kwesi hazon la nisi hatron guni ge go de kwesi gutson ka de hazon si de kwesi tani oni de etlekhe tsekwet asi legapit edwon gasi 8 zone 19th Legislative Assembly Northwest Territories gasi hot outlong what's on the hot hunt masi cho Naja
Thank you.
Masi et zon hondo na giago tsunsi na hutzezia masi.
Thank you, members. We will now continue.
Achidi zendani let's end ya se wo hatsadia eketet so don heya geti mufi go tsagetet so don
Speaker.
Masi Mr. Speaker
Katege Nahut Elde, the Gawata, the Gawu Guhazonde, Aiga, the Massi, the Fonde, the Lanacha, Gunakwell, the Hunt is a queen. As the Gawu did not kill the Lanacha Kiki down there. A year the John Slicker, lots of doesn't, that's a doubt the Hudson Dean in there. And it's on John the Queen of the Nizzica, like a doesn't on there. As on seeing that John the Clinchon, John Care, that out there, good to go again, Dilla, on the ancient. The dean of the sits of that game, the must get one there. I use low, Clinchon, they get Hunty, gonna get there. Yet he now went on the sits of the game, the other guys on the must see, such that must get one there. I use low, the system done against that you guys on there. It's only saying that 17 again, he must see guessing. The deal that is only get 2 guys on the system done against that. It's on such a kid, it's on such a kid, Diane, it's on Jade, Cheyenne, City, it's on City Sahara, City Dene, Saza Thai. I don't hear since done against that you guys on the Senegal Tuna. As I hear that on kids, go Konaut in Locus on the must get one day. As I say, that the Nike wanted a twin of the Secure Aries blue, yeah. Na cat, na kill there, na cat Hanilani. The deal that such a good deal that grandpa, the good yard sade, security down there. I want to see that so ML out there, and I wish with the phone that has on. That's all, Zoom with the near Tinio, and that's an hand on a phone there. That's all the setting, great thing again, the night cannot show there. I quit on there. I got John, the hand in our witness on who get locked down there. That's all you want to setting again, clinch on the what you must get one there. Must show Mr. Speaker.
Thank you.
Masi eketet so don Lafferty eketet so don heya geti Khatungo gai kwegizi hatsadi Mr. Bonarouge Masi Mr. Speaker John Atleten DC so kontra goods on se yati konde goods on don montago gai kwe Joe Cambona Rouge, Wits a Kehi, Nancy Ann, It's on Jim Tom. Commissioner Wood do hode. Did don't say. What he degi le hode. The gagut in First Nations. So. It's on Johi. Indi atlawa so here that now we get what doing ginliut and I must see. Mr. Bonrouge. Hatongo guy Ginzi Hatsadi, Mr. Jacobson. He must see did think Andrew Stewart, second check goods on Juguga Wada. It's also a kid Joseph C. Saja John Gek, what I must see, Mr. Speaker. He must see Mr. Jacobson. Hatongo guy Ginzi Hatsadi. Great slave goods on Get Soda. He Johnson Donsits Adiding Chris Calander, Maria Weisner, Devon Quick, Joy Stewart, a yisi jonge, Questions a dagin dit a massige home. Massy Miss Knockleby. Ha tongo guy, Gweginzi, Hatsadi. Massy Mr. Speaker sits okay. Joseph Konagarski, John Guga Wada, Hode. Masi Miss Simler, Hatunga Gaikwegi, Hatsadi, Miss Tom, Masi Mr. Tom, Mr. Speaker, John Grand Coco Tom, Isla Juwada, Hokesh Lehaneko, Zunga Gawada, Masi Mr. Speaker. Hatunga Gaikwegi, Hatsadi, Miss Cochran, Masi Mr. Speaker. Seti, Miss Coco Palet, Dylan Don Saja, Bernita, Sade, Karen Kaj, Sade, Roy Stein, Gladys Beline, Shirley Cochran, Sade, Margaret Cochran, Sade, Stanley Cochran, Kathy, sits at DC Tina, it's on Chan. Don't he Davis John what doesn't like in a day? As on sessions our got Ilahane Kotomo Taginati Laho, honey, must see Mr. Speaker. Hey, must see Miss Cochran, Miss Cleveland. Hey, must see Mr. Speaker. Well, George, don't go got what down with the business. What's on don't. Business, what's on with it? Hatungo guy, Quegizi Hatsadi. Miss China. Masi Mr. Speaker. Satirak at the Gilinsi. Danny Eruzi Quatinde, Wilbur Kershaw Quatinde, Roger Boniface, Anna Marie Jackson. He said, Nick, I got some Dungo guy, Masi. Masi, Miss China. Hatungo guy Quegizi Hatsadi, Mr. Lafferty. Masi, Mr. Speaker.
Go get the Wahodi Lake Wickets as on the get then the key, it's not at Delany, Hagut had down there. That's also Tartina K, Saga get Quay, must get one day. A question on the Merrill Sumberg, go here, what down there? It's a Margaret Mackenzie. And the let's say the go here get Quay, must get one day. You got high, Mr. Speaker, Massey.
Masi, Mr. Lafferty, Hatungo Guy, Queginzi Hatsadi. Since Nick Egoton, Kelly McLaughlin, Keith McNeil, AEC Yellowknife North constituent Galang, that's Cindy Cohen, Toronto, John again, day, Mr. David Wasanick, a Saga Tetsa holding sits again, did I must say, where won't I? I must say, Mr. Johnson, Hatungo Guy, Queginzi Hatsadi, Mr. Simpson, Hay River North Goods on. Masi Mr. Speaker Sanik Ehi Di Rasi Mr. Beatrice Lapini Masi We Hote the DC India la Tłı chło Yatıì di hote di kwa wallahi yisi hatlo de siata don titsagi le siata yi tsagi di daili yiga masi we ho he masi Mr. Simpson hatongo gai kwegi si hatsadi Mr. Simpson Hay River South goods on masi Mr. Speaker it's on beaches la pini he masi we siata ho hote Mr. Simpson, he had dealers at the sea. So like a tet so holy, that's it's ain't what a yard so last long. I got idea and another must see we see a one day. A ye here Joy Stewart, see must see where one had lot de goods on. It's la had lot de goods on doing it a la one. What high he, Mr. Don Stewart. John he at la what's as his speaker Eileen le what they don't show you a John there. He see Mr. Jim Thompson at a massy where what a commissioner got Michigan Eileen at the Nizin work at the must say. Must see Mr. Simpson Hatongo Guy Queginzi Hatsadi Miss Marcellas. MIC Mr. Speaker, Betty Gilburn, Ihombacha, Métis Nations, and don't another Masi Wissing. Masi Miss Marcellus, Hatungo Gaiqueginzi Hatsadi. A digas at a sinsa neke goes on to a quehi. Is don't such a didon Elizabeth Wright. It's a what day Alice Charlie Hattie it's on Brandon Stewart second check it's on Joada it's on to Ajon Hitchago Gage Quessy at a massy get what a John Guga hat one go guy when the year must sit in one. I see week at John at the inn. Ladda donanit legirada halada kenije, Mr. Johnson. Mr. Speaker, the 19 assemblies at the Hono down, Slon Tron, let's end DC. A ye go here azon dani edit at Zain lace at a diani la wiki let's eat that's a did. I what I did a honey a question that's a lie in it, la donagirada hanecha the one. Masi Mr. Johnson, don't I need like you at the hand? It's a lay. A question motion, what shall we get? No, I'd say, Mr. Thompson, Mr. Lafferty, Masi Mr. Speaker.
Not Dalani, October 29, 2019 motion Hosha Nitlanet sound. The motion Sanguitla not down there. Wick era the member Hay River North, sick and I down there. The member Range Layson, Caroline Cochran, the premier on its attack, I wouldn't its attack, didn't chink at the Gawa. As a Mr. Speaker, none did the members again, sick again with it, who can go down there. Masi.
Notice is a motion. Notice is a motion. Mr. Bunners.
Mr. Speaker,
Mr. Speaker, October 29, 2019, the motion it's yeah. Not po goods on sits a die did the Commissioner Northwest Territories Die don't have to executive. I would again like and again. Katrina Knuckleby, Great Slaves on R.J. Simpson, Hay River North Goods on Diane Tom Inuvik Bootleg Goods on Shane Thompson Nehende Goods on Polly China Satik Goods on Caroline Cochran Range Leg Goods on It's on Caroline Wozniak Yellknife South Goods on It's on Mr. Speaker. Donazo sick again warning the dear motion se did think a work a good down what I must say. Motion wick a John has a D Mr. Thompson. I must say Mr. Speaker. Ada na kids October 29, 2019 motion at Sam. Ayit the great slave goods architect so the priorities and planning Ronald Bonnerouge that shows the goods on Kevin O'Reilly frame lay goods on Rocky Simpson Hay River South goods on Lisa Semler Inuvik twin lay goods on Caitlin Cleveland Cam lay goods on Jackson Lafferty Mufi goods on Jackie Jacobson, Nunapo Gozon, Frida Marcellus, Humba Cha Gozon, Steve Knorr, Tuna de Willie de Gozon, Julie Green, Yellknife Center Gozon, Aiton Ryland Johnson, Yellknife North Gozon. Ayi, see Mr. Speaker, the motion, these like essay won't go to how we're going to say that we're going to home when it. Must see Mr. Thompson. Mr. O'Reilly, I must say, Mr. Speaker, Tuesday, October 29, 2019, the honey motion what the Ada Inuvik twin leg goods on the don't have to board of management Frederick Blake Jr, Mackenzie Delta goods on Jackie Jacobson, Nunapo goods on Caitlin Cleveland, Campbell goods on it's on Diane Tom. Inuvik bootleg goods on it's on Polly China Satik goods on a year here say did donate board management it like honge has Steve Knorr and Tuna de Willie de goods on Ronald Bonnerouge Death Cho goods on Katrina Knuckleby Great Slave goods on it's on R.J. Simpson Hay River North goods on Mr. Speaker did think I say we're gonna home warning day a year motion did think I say we're gonna go down with Massey motion what Lawik Edson at the Mr. Johnson. Mr. Speaker, October 29, 2019, the motion what the AEC range Lagos test so done rule number 4 John Hudeds October 25 John Little de one hunt any day Tuesday December 10th on not the December 10 we quit Speaker, we got Sunny Lenny the card the gilly go here again this we got the egg kid like one day. A yeasy John sits and there a year we quit it sits and the honey the half a down there a year gas it and now we quit sound I eat since a this a conny day a chew a china sits and the half a day. A year see Mr. Speaker. Donazon Hagi one of the emotions did think as it won't go down, I must say. Motion we get John Laha. I'll quit for now, one it, the Yatıì. Motion Whitley. Mr. Lafferty. Must see, Mr. Speaker.
The motion get go the lay as a member sick again we can go there.
Thank you, colleagues. Mr. Lafferty is seeking unanimous consent to deal with this motion today. Are there any nays?
Doi legin wule Mr. Lafferty netso na wo ke guinde.
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, whereas subsection 61
Die niet 61 dash brackets 1 ik I would then I will see Executive Council holle ha hotel zande kega a ye he see a ye premier see Joint Assembly gichi hote a ye see commissioner see like any see he said a ye da li don I get that so don Hay River North goes on sits a di he it's on range leg goods on dite at zande ego ga see premier a lin ha would a cheetah a ye got motion what I must say. Masi Mr. Lafferty, ami se motion kego da, okay, ketetsa hutle hudi, ami na woods a daidi, ami na woods a daidi le, hota na wo hili. Na wo hile, Mr. Bonnerouge, masi Mr. Speaker, the motion said that indeed think I said now we can go there this in list so that get dini de we can go there the one. Masi Mr. Bonnerouge. You see Mr. Bonnerouge said that do not eat a die dini the motion can go there. I mean Lenny won Lenny game wole Mr. Bonnerouge not so now we can go in there. Masi Mr. Speaker. A now was 61 point brackets 1 a executive council now waga dihanik ade dunde ha hote zaneke a ye se donek I would de ya linsi commissioners like in a google le hunt and a zon let's anti kungo yesi a yit Eketetso don unat pro gutson such a did a di assembly said that assembly and commissioner what's on dihani now when it's how they would they get negate a lot and Katrina Knockleby, Grace Slave goods on RJ Simpson had Claude North goods on Diane Tom Inuvik Bootleg goods on Shane Thompson Nahende goods on Polly China Satike goods on Caroline Cochran Range Lay goods on Caroline Wozniak Yellowknife South goods on. I'm motion kego down. We get it so hootle hoodie. I mean, now it's a daidi. I mean, now it's a daidi le. Now, holy. Now, hotle. Mr. Thompson. Mr. Speaker. The motion did think is a wiki hey TC wiki got the other one. Must say Mr. Thompson. It was a motion said I did think I mean said motion I got that new one. Mr. Thompson is now wiki going there. Must say Mr. Speaker. Now was the 89 brackets 2. Don't standing committee and it's a little priorities and planning. Ayet Ali Great Slave goes like a test so don't sit a did a don't see committee priorities and planning and it's a wow with a Ronald Boundary that show goes on Kevin O'Reilly Frame Lake goes on Rocky Simpson Hay River South goes on Lisa Sembler Inuvik Twin Lake goes on Caitlin Cleveland Cam Lake goes on Jackson Lafferty Mufi goes on Jackie Jacobson Lunapo goes on Frida Marcellus Sabacha goes on Steve Norn Tuna Day Willie Day goes on Julie Green Yellowknife Center goes on it's on Ryland Johnson Yellowknife North goes on Massey. I'm in motion go da we get tetsa hutle I mean now it's a daidi I mean now it's a daidi le now holi now hutle Mr. O'Reilly, Masi, Mr. Speaker. These zinc is at a motion. We can go down the point that did zinc and we can hear Tile. Masi, Mr. O'Reilly. The deal with a motion did zinc and you can go down me. Lenny won't do it. Lenny won't let Mr. O'Reilly and it's a motion can go in there. Masi, Mr. Speaker. John, I get that so don't let's say Dini the board of management honey donik in it and Lenny Haniko. Din now section 36 AX Legislative Assembly Executive Council Agi Wera he don't like in it's a lehont in it ali twin Legos I get that so don't had some board of management the assembly ra. Let's allow the Frederick Blake Jr, Mackenzie Delta, goods on Jackie Jacobson, Nunapo goods on Caitlin Cleven, Cam goods on Diane Tom, and Nuvet Bood goods on a goods on Polly China, Sati goods on a ye here, see what I don't eat like Hoge, Steve Noren, Tuna they Willie de goods on Ronald Bonner Rouge, that show goods on Katrina Colby, Great Slave goods on, it's on RJ Simpson, Hay River North goods on. Hey, must see Mr. O'Reilly. I'm in motion, can't go down. We can't get it to Hutler, Hutty, I mean, I would a die. I mean, I would a die delay. Now we'll leave. Now we'll say, Mr. Johnson. And Mr. Speaker, deeds like a motion. This not the seat. We can't go down the one. I must see Mr. Johnson. I me say in Lenny won. Doing Lenny won let Mr. Johnson. It's an hour going there. A ye see range Legos I get that so don't sit a die did a year rule number 4 June October 25 that's ain't any the actually December 10 2019 and say when they ye December 10 we quit in Miss Speaker wagasani let a god de go he good date la honey dates on Joe let's end this that don't see Gira here that's again the yids and we quit let's end the honey the ye speaker see I yids and let's end the had dia say you had now we yet see what honey ko ye ha what's I ki honey take we ha must say Mr. Johnson. Motion with she, I mean, I mean, now it's a die. I mean, now it's a die delay. Now we'll leave. Now we'll say. I quit on now we need like ART. Now I can't, so now we need like ART. Mr. Clerk, indicts and I need let's end, yeah?
Mr. Speaker, orders of the day for Tuesday, December 10th, 2019, 1:30 p.m. Prayer, minister statements, member statements, recognition of visitors in the gallery, reports of committee.
December 10 in the Dihani let's end there. We get goods at the written question it that's okay, goods on I go get the goods it as it's okay. I quite long now we need just say how we get goods at the night can't and
Report of Committee of the Whole, third reading of bills, orders of the day.
Thank you, Mr. Clerk. This House stands adjourned until
Tuesday na kids and December 10th on how what's 1:30 in the China and December 10 2019 must say